Hi everyone. It is very interesting to note that from this year onwards, that is 2021 onwards, the 6th day of 6th month, that is June 6th, is going to be celebrated as the Complementary Feeding Day. As you all know, this complementary feeding is the weakest link in infant nutrition because of the lack of awareness what to give, how to give at 6 months of age. Even though we did not celebrate this so far, it is deep rooted in our culture, that is the Annaprasna or rice giving ceremony at 6 months. Let us capitalize on this and let us start complementary feeding for every baby starting at 6 months of age. And this video from the family of Anantapuri Hospital is an incredible effort on how to give and what to give at 6 months of age.
I am Jazia, Senior Dietitian in Anantapuri Hospital. As you all know, complementary feeding is projected as the bridge between breastfeeding and family pod feeding. Since this is the period of rapid growth and development of the baby, complementary foods should be made energy dense by adding jaggery, ghee, butter, oil, etc. Foods can be enriched with micronutrients by fermenting, germinating and toasting. But most important is that we should be able to offer a dietary diversity without compromising on the energy and protein content of the food. For this, we have to make healthy choices from different food groups like grains, fruits, vegetables, proteins and dairy products. This variety will prevent the food aversion. Keeping this in mind, we have come forward with a few healthy recipes with easily available raw materials.
I am Dr. Shilpa Abhishekar. Today we are preparing rice apple blends.
Let's start by taking 1/4 cup of well-cooked rice. To this, we add 50 grams of grated and mashed apple, a pinch of sugar to sweeten our dish, and a spoon of hot ghee or butter to enrich it. Mix these into a fine paste. Our delicious rice apple blend is ready to be served safely and easily to a baby who is stepping into the world of flavors.
I am Dr. Meenu Jose. Today we are preparing banana rice flakes powder.
Take 20 gram of rice flakes powder and mix it well with 1/4 portion of ripe and mashed banana. Transfer this mixture into a pan and loosen it with 2 teaspoons of melted jaggery and 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Stir it into a fine paste and cook well for 5 minutes. Our banana rice flakes porridge is ready. This porridge is packed with iron, nutrients and fiber, making it a healthy and tasty food for babies.
I am Dr. Gold. I am going to prepare healthy mix. To prepare this recipe, we need dried and powdered cereal pulse mix, coconut milk, jaggery and ghee. Let's cook. Take 25 gram of cereal pulse mix in a pan. Cook well with 100 ml water for 10 minutes in low flame. Add 25 ml coconut milk to the mix and stir it well. Then add 10 ml melted jaggery and finally enrich it with 1 teaspoon of ghee and cook for another 2 minutes in low flame. Easily digestible, delicious healthy mix is ready to serve, and these will provide fibers, proteins, minerals like iron and vitamins to our babies. Let's ensure a complete healthy diet for their bright future.
I am Dr. Abhinaya. Today I am going to prepare vision soup.
Let's start by adding equal quantities of sliced potato, pumpkin, carrot and amaranth as spinach. Here I am taking 20 gram of each. Add 1 teaspoon of oil, a pinch of turmeric and salt to taste. Add half cup of rice water to this. Cook it well in a pressure cooker. Let the contents cool and then mash it in a semi-solid consistency. Our bright yellow vision soup is ready, attractive to the eyes and delicious to taste.
I am Dr. Ansi. Today we are going to prepare papaya sweet.
Start by pressure cooking 15 gram of moong dal. Now transfer this well cooked moong dal to a pan and mix it with 1 teaspoon of melted ghee, 5 teaspoon of coconut milk and 2 teaspoon melted jaggery. Mix the contents well and cook it for 5 minutes. Add 30 gram of mashed ripe papaya to this and switch off the flame. Avoid overcooking the papaya to preserve its nutrients. Our papaya sweet is ready, an ideal multivitamin rich food to boost your child's immunity.
I'm dietitian Jazia, going to show the preparation of sprout nut mix. Let's begin by adding ghee on a pan. Make sure the flame is low. To the melted ghee, add 25 grams of previously pressure cooked and mashed sprouted gram. Stir well and ensure that the sprouts are well cooked. Now add 10 grams of groundnut powder and 1/4 cup of coconut milk to enrich the calories. For sweetness, add 2 teaspoons of melted jaggery, then cook for 2 minutes. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and mix with 1 teaspoon of dates pulp. Micronutrient dense, healthy sprout mix is ready for your little ones. Remember, at this age, your baby needs all the nourishment to grow healthy.
I am Dr. Anju Sebastian. I am going to prepare egg flip.
Let's start by adding 1 teaspoon of melted ghee into a warm pan. To this, add half cup of coconut milk, 2 seeds of cardamom and sugar to taste. Once the milk starts boiling, add 1 well-beaten egg and keep on stirring in low flame till it turns into a pudding-like consistency. Remove the cardamom seeds before serving. This egg flip is a divine and nutritious combination of coconut milk and egg, made more delectable with the magical flavor of cardamom.
Hope you have all enjoyed seeing the preparation of these nutritious and delicious recipes. Now a few tips on how to give these complementary feeds. First and foremost, practice responsive feeding. That is, you should feed the baby slowly, patiently, looking into his eyes, talking to him and interacting with him. Never force feed him. Then start complementary feeds at 6 months of age itself and slowly increase the consistency, quantity and variety of foods. In the first 2 months of complementary feeding, you can give the baby 2 to 3 main meals per day, and thereafter till 2 years it can be 3 to 4 meals. If needed, 1 or 2 snacks also. And to start with, the quantity can be 1/4 of a cup measuring 250 ml, but always remember it should be your baby's choice. Some foods he may like more and some less. And never forget to practice hand hygiene as well as food hygiene. By following these few little points, you can develop healthy eating habits in your baby and also make them enjoy their meal times. Thank you.